First rain in 2023 led to storm, brought lots of destruction in Jinthong constituency. 3 workers sustained grievous injuries after a newly constructed bridge collapsed in Assam. ASDC held extended meet at Dongkamukam ASDC office premise in West Karbi Anglong. First rain in 2023 led to storm, brought lots of destruction in Jinthong constituency yesterday. Jinthong experienced first rain this 2023, but the rain turned into storm which brought lots of destruction in the constituency, especially at Mokinder village. Many houses were blown away and led to many scattered homeless. The Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council are responsible and should visit the areas to consolidate those homeless and inspiring them to be firm. News Desk report, Karbi Daily News. At least 3 workers sustained grievous injuries after a newly constructed bridge collapsed in Assam's Nagaon district on Thursday, the 16th March 2023. The incident was reported in a newly constructed Kopili Bridge in Kampur area of Nagaon, where the workers fell off from it after it collapsed. The 3 workers were immediately rushed to hospital in critical condition. It is suspected that there might be more workers trapped under the bridge. Meanwhile, the locals allege that the bridge was constructed with low quality and poor materials. News Desk report, Karbi Daily News. ASDC held extended meet at Dongkamukam ASDC office premise in West Karbi Anglong on Tuesday. The meet was held to affirm one another for freedom struggle and statehood in the days to come. They also had discussions on political upheaval in the district for great change. The meeting was graced by ex-EM Ramsing Ronghang, Om Putisopi, Korsing Kro, and other intellectuals. They addressed the gathering and reaffirmed themselves to resume their statehood movement. The party is working relentlessly on collecting signatures to enclose in the memorandum for demand of Karbi Anglong state, which is going to be submitted to Sri Narendra Modi, that is the Prime Minister of India. ASDC lectures in the meet extended to all the citizens for supporting the party. They promised each other to carry forward the movement if Article 244A is implemented. Bidyaram Inglang report from Amren, Karbi Daily News.